Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening to today's video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adeshina. This is Business Light. Welcome once again to another episode of Business Light. And today, in this video, I want to review Fintoch as a business. We want to review Fintoch as a business. We can see today a lot of people are into Fintoch business because Fintoch promise 1% return on investment on a daily basis for its investors, and there are a lot of things outside there going on Fintoch, and today we want to do a very quick review to Fintoch. And this website, we can see it said Fintoch operates in the MLM crypto niche and represents itself as a Silicon Valley company from America. Fintoch website domain fintoch.com in code, that is fintoch.com, was privately registered on April 12, 2022, and Fintoch represents its CEO as Bobby Joe Lambert. Okay, now this is the picture of Bobby Joe Lambert, and Bobby Joe Lambert, they say Bobby Joe Lambert is an actor and a film producer in the US. Okay, now Bobby Joe Lambert doesn't exist, is played by US actor Mike Provenzano. Okay, you can see they say Lambert doesn't exist, it's only played by US actor Mike Provenzano. Okay, Provenzano sees himself as a US based actor, producer, and a director. We can rule out Provenzano likeness being stolen by way of him appearing in multiple Fintoch marketing video. Okay, so it's claimed that this man is not actually Bobby Joe Lambert, but it's one of a film producer in America. The number two we have to look out is a Fintoch claim that it is owned by Morgan DF, and we are having another write-up from Morgan DF that Morgan DF has no partnership or any relationship with Fintoch. I said Morgan DF, look at this place, Morgan DF Fintoch, and here it has come to our attention that our digital platform impersonating Morgan Stanley, including Fintoch. Please note that Fintoch is using Morgan Stanley trade name and or Morgan Stanley trademark or variation thereof without authorization, and we do not assume any responsibility for any transactions or results that may arise from a aforesaid platform. Morgan Stanley does not have any affiliation or relationship with this platform. So we have this write-up as well that disclaim that Morgan DF doesn't have any affiliation or relationship whatsoever with Fintoch. So these are the red flag with a Fintoch. Investing in Fintoch is risky. You are not expected to invest what you cannot afford to lose in any online business. Okay, in any online business, don't put more than what you can afford in any online business. These are the two red flag we have. Number one, the Bobby Joe Lambert doesn't exist, that he happened to be one of the film producer and actor in US, and the second one is that Fintoch doesn't have any business relationship or affiliates or whatsoever with Morgan DF Stanley. So, and we have a write-up that claim that Fintoch doesn't have any relationship or business affiliate with Morgan DF. Now, similarly, web currently rank top sources of traffic to Fintoch website as Cambodia, that it has 43%, China 24%, South Korea 17%, Hong Kong 7%, and Malaysia 6%. And this geo-targeting strongly suggests whoever is behind Fintoch is likely based out of Asia. Boris CEO MLM companies, however, are typically the work of Eastern European scammer, that is Russia and Ukraine. Okay, this is another red flag. Beyond hiring US-based actor to play fictional executive, Fintoch does not appear to have any actual ties to the US. As always, if an MLM company is not openly upfront about who is running or own it, think long and hard about joining and handing over any money. Okay, so think hard before you join any MLM company who doesn't have anybody who is upfront, or who's the owner, or people behind the system, or people behind the program is not actually shown. In case of Fintoch, people that showcase Fintoch, we are been having some information that they are not real name and they are not real people. Okay, so in dealing with Fintoch, in putting your money down in Fintoch, you need to think twice. Like I said, let me mention it again. Any online business you are into, or any online business you want to venture into, make sure you are not doing an amount you cannot afford to lose. Okay, that is rule number one. Always put in amount you can afford to lose. Looking at the red flag of Fintoch, let's look at the success of Fintoch, the achievement. Let's look at the achievement of Fintoch. We can see that Fintoch was audited by CETIC and Skynet, who happen to be one of the best auditing company in the world today. And Fintoch has launched something called a bug bounty program. Fintoch has launched a bug bounty program worth $60,000 to anyone who can find out a bug, error, or security glitch in the project. So it opens, Fintoch opened this program for anybody who can find out their error, glitch, or any technology, that if you can find out error, they are going to award you $60,000. So it is open for anybody, for everybody, and we are expecting the who call the Soguru in IT to come and prove this technology wrong. We want them to come and prove it. We want them to come and show the error in this technology. And another thing we are going to look at the achievement of Fintoch is they have successfully launched their decentralized wallet. Fintoch decentralized wallet, this is it, and it works like Trust Wallet and other decentralized wallets. As a matter of fact, you can link Fintoch wallet and the Trust Wallet or mToken or Token Pocket together. It's actually a decentralized one. These are some of their achievements whatsoever. And again, Fintoch public chain test coin to apply. Yes, Fintoch is launching their public chain as well. So these are some of their achievements. In conclusion, I want to believe Fintoch is worth trying. Fintoch can actually give you some amount of money, but don't forget, any amount you want to put or you want to invest in Fintoch, it must be an amount you can afford to lose or an amount you can afford to risk. It is not advisable you go and borrow money or you go and take loan to put into any online business. Now, on this note, I want to sign out. I still remain my humble server, Additional. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly hit on subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that next time we are dropping another good content, you'll be among the first people to check it out. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Stay blessed.